Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am getting ready to label all my stuff for our retail space and then go down there, stock the shelves, and give you a little bit of a tour. And so I'm going to show you the process. We're going to label everything, get everything ready, load it into the car, and head on down to the retail space and see what all the new things are at Liquidation Station. All right, so let's go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just line everything up on the table. Here are all the items that we'll be taking to the liquidation station. Now that Oster blender, we have them down at the liquidation station, but I'm going to price this one cheaper because the box is a little bit beat up. Then of course, we're going to bring all of our liquid things that we do not want to ship. So all of our dish soaps and Febreze and cleaning supplies and all of those different things. So here we have it all piled on the table. I'm going to go ahead and get all the prices ready and then unpack all of it so that we can get everything all ready to go. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So we've got some Palmolive dish soap here, some Dawn dish soap. This is some Witch's Hazel, some spray and wash, then we got the Febreze lavender. So all of these things I definitely want to bring down to the store just because simply I think they're going to break in shipping or cause a catastrophe in shipping. So we got some Ajax, we got some 7th generation dish soap, larger bottles. Open up these spray and washes. All right, so got all my prices made. So now we're just going to go ahead and put all these prices on. So we have Oil of Olay body wash that we're pricing for, I believe, $3.99. Then we've got the Dawn dish soap. We're going to put it right on the front, and I have to peel every single one of the old Target clearance labels off. So that's what you're going to see me doing, peeling off the label. And all the Dawn dish soap we're doing 99 cents a piece. Now I did pay more than that when I bought the pallet. I paid $1.13 per item per pallet, but this is stuff I do not want to ship and I want it to move, and we're already in the profit. So we're just going to label all the Dawn dish soaps. Got to take all the labels off. Time consuming part. And then make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly where I put them all on the shelf at the liquidation station. So this one's really nice because all the Palmolives have a label right on the front. And so I'm just going to put my price tag over the top of it so I don't have to peel those. Let's go ahead and do the spray and wash. Anytime I can put it on the front of the bottle, it's always better because then people see the price better. So that's $1.99 for the spray and wash. I usually do about 50% of what I would normally sell at Target. $2.99 for the pet stain remover. Then we're going to do the Febreze. There's labels on the back, and so instead of peeling them all, I'm just going to put my Hooked on Pickin label right over the top. $2.49 for this Febreze bottle. You know, about 12 of those. All right, we're going to just keep doing the pricing here. I had to get up and get some prices for the Witch's Hazel. I didn't have those. So $2.99 for this one here, this surface cleaner. Ajax is 75 cents. $1.99 for that. And then I believe we're doing $1.99 for all of these bottles as well, which is the 7th generation free and clear dish soap. And then we do have some orange flavored as well, and I priced them the same price. All right, now we're going to pack them up and get them ready to take off to the retail location. Need another box. So we're taking all this down to the retail location. And now we are at the liquidation station. So let's see. I've already stocked all of the shelves, so let's see exactly where I put everything. So when you first come in, this is our kiosk that they give us. So we get to fill this as full as we want, and you can see some of the new items there already. See the Febreze at the top and the Witch's Hazel at the top. Here's a bunch of stuff she has for sale at the liquidation station. So you need a handbag or a tote, here you go. Then we've got all of our dish soaps there on the second shelf and some of our cleaners. So we're going to look a lot closer here. Here's some cleaners that we had there before. There's our Ajax that we just labeled. There's the Oster with kind of the beat up box, and so that's a little bit cheaper than the regular price. So I priced it $19.99, and I'll show you the other ones are $24.99 later. Then we have the Witch's Hazel and the Febreze and the Olay body wash available there. Some stuff we still had at the store. I got rid of the Jennifer Aniston. Going to put that on the Hooked on Pickin website. So if you've been looking for that, we're going to go ahead and add that back to the website. $24.99 for the regular blenders. And then I put my spray and wash in the front window there so people see it, $1.99. And our 7th generation different types of dish soap, as well as some of the other stuff we still have. So we've got some tea kettles, some toasters. For those of you who have been looking, I had some masks here, some KN95 masks, and I just added those back to the hookedonpickin.com website. So we took them from this retail location and put them on the hookedonpickin.com website, and I'm going to be looking into getting some more. So this is our toy section of our shelf. So we've got all sorts of different toys, some baby sharks, some minions, pet snack launchers, some stools, some origami kits, some spinning tops, marker makers, jumbo playing cards, and then of course we have our snack section here with all of our candy club. We no longer carry popcorn at this location, but we do the candy club, and we've got a lot of different things here. So let's go ahead and take a tour through her store and just see all the different things that she has available. So we've got some fun toys on this end cap. So she's got a nice looking end cap that's next to my window one. We sold some of these on the fire sale in bundles, but she's got a lot more available. So if you're looking for this location, it is on Hanover Street in New Baden. So Hanover Street in New Baden, Illinois. That's N-E-W-B-A-D-E-N, Illinois. And you can come and check it out. It's about 30 minutes from the St. Louis, straight east from St. Louis. So it's a really fun one. Lots of school supplies. I've already talked to her about doing some bundles for the fire sale. If you're interested in anything that you see here, go ahead and look down in the description of this video, and you can go ahead and email her about getting bundles and packs. She does ship, and so if you would prefer to get something from her store, just go ahead and contact her directly. Her name is Robin. Her and her husband Jerry are an amazing couple, so you can go ahead and just contact her and be able to get a lot of the items that she has available shipped to you directly, so she can work through some of the prices and things like that. So here's some lanyards and tote bags that she has available, some fun home decor pieces, a lot of other toys and other fun stationery type things that she's got just for kind of schoolwork, desk items, and all sorts of fun things. She's regularly rotating the products she has in the store, and so every time you walk in, they're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday and Friday from 9 to 5, and Saturday from 10 to 3. You can get all of these items. Lots of backpacks, and she's even got like travel beauty bags. Some soaps, lots of paper plates. Tumblers galore. Let's give them pumpkin to talk about. I love that one. And then we have, I think there's another tumbler down there. It has a clever little saying. Some bedding sets. Ottomans that look like bunnies. Team bride sets. Some tension rods or regular curtain rods. get rid of the bugs. She's got a whole kind of pest control section, some planters, or cup holders, hangers, big pots for potted plants. She's still got Halloween costumes and things like that in the back, and some Christmas wrapping paper and birthday wrapping paper. Here's all the Halloween costumes. She's got all her Christmas just on the other side of that. You can see the ornaments in the background. And then here are all her heated blankets. So if you are looking for a weighted blanket or a heated blanket, she's got $42 on this full queen one. It's a huge heated Sherpa line blanket. And so if you're looking for anything like that, please contact her. The info is in the description below, or email me if you can't find it, and you can contact her directly, and she'd love to be able to ship a lot of that. She does have a website, but not everything is on it. As you can see, she just has a plethora of things, and she's even got a whole nother warehouse full of stuff. So if you're interested in anything or wondering if she has it in stock, just go ahead and give her a call. So this is Robin from Liquidation Station, or Cars Recycling was their first original business, and so it's listed under both in the bottom of the description of this video. Got some bedding sets. So just because it's at this location doesn't mean that you can't get it shipped to you. And she does secure credit card checkouts as well. So gift bags, stuff like that. Got some fun toys also. Little baby dolls, LOL, some coloring books, lots of fun stuff. Okay, we're back going around our kiosk, and we're going to check out this other section of the store. She's got a bunch of PJ sets that are for sale over here on this wall, as well as some shoes and handbags. And she's got some more clothing, and this is all her kind of fall decor that she still has left in Halloween. She's going to be moving around and moving a lot of the Halloween, fall, and Christmas out of the way to make new for a lot of the spring stuff. She's got a lot of intimates kind of here in the back corner. Bunch of fun Christmas decorations so before you put those Christmas decorations away, go ahead and let her know if you want any of those. So those are all yard light up decor, and she's got all of this Christmas still left over. So go ahead and contact her if you want some little knickknacks that you want for next year. She still has all of this, but who knows if it'll be available next year. So if you want it, snatch it up. Cool Christmas train, brand new in box. Another front window. She's got a long front window here. It's got a bunch of Transformer toys. Oh, this guy is terrifying. Let me see if I can figure out how he works. So you're supposed to squeeze some part of him, and it makes the face go crazy. So he looks all cute and innocent, and I'm trying to figure out which section I squeeze on this toy. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Ah! So scary. That is a terrifying toy. Why would you give that to anybody? It's a fun one, though. So that is the entire Liquidation Station floor space. They have a whole back room full of stuff, but here's our kiosk and all the new things that we have on it that you saw me put. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed that tour of the Liquidation Station, and of course we're going to have all of our stuff for sale there, and we have our Thursday fire sales, so make sure you join us, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.